Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best M12 Fuel Ratchet is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your toolbox. This compact yet powerful ratchet is designed to make your life easier, whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and real-world applications of this amazing tool, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Ratchet, Bare Tool. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Ratchet. It's a powerful tool designed for efficiency. You'll find it's a great addition to any toolbox. This ratchet delivers an industry-leading torque output. It provides the power you need to get the job done. It's designed to tackle tough tasks with ease. The M12 Fuel Ratchet features a compact head size. This allows it to access tight spaces. Its design makes it easier to maneuver in challenging work environments. Built with premium metal components, this ratchet is made to last. The overmold design adds to its durability. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. It's the world's first brushless ratchet, offering extended motor life. This innovative feature provides over 2x more motor life compared to brushed ratchets. It's a reliable tool for the long haul. What we like. This ratchet boasts the most powerful torque in its class, making it ideal for tough jobs. Its compact head size allows it to access tight spaces where others can't. If you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer who needs maximum power and maneuverability, you should consider this one. What people say. It is built really well, has proven to be very durable, and is the perfect size to fit into tight spaces. With the lower profile head you can get to harder to reach places. And there is more torque too. High torque and not that load at all. Number 4. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Extended Ratchet. This ratchet delivers impressive power. It features a brushless motor, providing up to 55 ft-lbs of torque. This ensures maximum power and durability for tough jobs. Getting into tight spaces is now easier. The slim head profile and extended neck of this tool allow it to reach where others can't. This makes it perfect for a variety of applications. Built to last, this ratchet is made with quality materials. The reinforced mechanism and cast steel yoke housing guarantee long-lasting use. You can rely on it for years to come. The tool is designed with smart technology. RedLink Plus intelligence protects it from overloading and overheating. This feature extends the tool's life and ensures safe operation. It is designed for convenience. This ratchet works with M12 batteries, making it compatible with a wide range of applications. It's a versatile addition to any toolbox. What we like. This ratchet offers an extended reach, perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. If you're working on automotive repairs or any project with confined spaces, you'll find this tool invaluable. What people say. Works well and keeps your time on job very reasonable. Very dependable fit in tight spaces because of the reach. Decent torque, variable speed and not a battery killer. Number 3. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Cordless Ratchet. Introducing the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Cordless Ratchet. This tool is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. It delivers 35 foot-pounds of torque, allowing you to work quickly. This ratchet is perfect for various applications. Powered by Milwaukee's M12 lithium battery, it offers cordless convenience. You can take it anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. Built with durable alloy steel, this ratchet is made to last. It's a reliable tool that can withstand tough conditions. The multi-angle clutch allows for smooth and controlled speed adjustments. This feature gives you greater control over the tool. Weighing only 4.4 pounds, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Its compact size makes it a great addition to any toolbox. What we like. This ratchet provides high-speed performance, allowing you to work quickly and efficiently. It runs on the M12 lithium battery for cordless convenience. If you value speed and mobility in your projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This wrench has converted me. Imagine not needing 3 hands or using your head as a prop to tighten a bolt. The wrench itself seems pretty well made but not too heavy and bulky. It's fast but not too fast where it would get away from you. The build quality is top-notch, plenty of power and very fast ratchet wrench. The off-brand charger and batteries Amazon has paired with this wrench seem like they are a good choice and should perform well. The charger is lightweight and worked well charging both batteries, no problems with any of these items. The size of this is perfect too. I'd considered one of the extended reach, but for most all my needs this one is perfect for me. Good power and torque. Battery lasts forever. Number 2. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 Ratchet 2-Bat. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 Ratchet. It's a powerful tool designed for various fastening tasks. It is made by Milwaukee, a trusted manufacturer. This ratchet is part of the fastening tools and accessories category. It is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This tool will help you get the job done. The product is made in the United States. The quality of the product is guaranteed. You can trust this tool to perform. The package dimensions are 9.1 inches in length, 9.1 inches in width, and 9.1 inches in height. It is compact and easy to store. Milwaukee is known for its durable and reliable tools. This ratchet is built to last. You can rely on it for your projects. What we like. This ratchet is a great fastening tool and accessories. It is durable and reliable. If you are looking for a tool that can help you with your daily work, you should consider this one. What people say. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 Ratchet is a beast. It has plenty of power to remove stubborn bolts. The compact head design allows for easy access in tight spaces. Number 1. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 High-Speed Cordless Ratchet Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 High-Speed Cordless Ratchet Kit. This powerful tool is designed for speed and efficiency, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. It's a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast. This ratchet kit delivers exceptional speed, allowing you to get the job done faster. Its high-speed motor provides the power you need to tackle tough jobs with ease. You'll be impressed by its performance. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with the M12 Fuel Ratchet. It eliminates the hassle of cords, giving you greater mobility on the job. This makes it easier to work in tight spaces. Despite its compact size, this ratchet packs a punch. It delivers impressive torque, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. It's designed to handle demanding tasks. Built to last, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Ratchet is a reliable tool. It's constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. You can count on it for years to come. What we like. This ratchet provides high-speed performance, allowing you to work quickly and efficiently. It runs on the M12 Red lithium battery for cordless convenience. If you value speed and mobility in your projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It's lightweight, fast, and delivers impressive torque for tight spaces. Battery life is great. It's compact, easy to handle, and perfect for tight spaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.